Have you ever heard about the 1561 celestial phenomenon over Nuremberg, Germany? This enigmatic event has puzzled historians and astronomers for centuries, sparking a myriad of interpretations and theories. So, buckle up, as we delve into the mystery of that fateful day. The morning of April 14th, 1561, began like any other in Nuremberg, Germany. But as the sun rose, so did the confusion. The townsfolk, awoken by an eerie glow, found themselves staring at an unusual sky tableau. Strange objects of all shapes and sizes, darting and clashing in an apparent aerial battle. A spectacle of light and chaos that defied explanation. The celestial dance continued, an hour of wonder and terror that held Nuremberg captive. The sky spectacle lasted for an hour, leaving the citizens in awe and fear. What were these mysterious objects? What was happening in the skies of Nuremberg? These questions have puzzled scholars and enthusiasts alike for centuries. Many in the 16th century believed it to be a divine sign or omen, a celestial warning of impending doom. Others saw it as a harbinger of conflict, given the tumultuous times. Fast forward to the modern age and we've got a host of new interpretations. Some scientists propose it could have been an atmospheric phenomenon, a unique interplay of light and cloud formations. The more daring theorists suggest extraterrestrial activity, a close encounter of the third kind, if you will. Yet despite these theories, the truth behind the 1561 celestial phenomenon remains a mystery, sparking curiosity and debates even today. The 1561 celestial phenomenon over Nuremberg, a historical enigma that continues to puzzle us. A morning in April that bore witness to an astonishing celestial ballet, still shrouded in mystery. Despite numerous theories, from extraterrestrial encounters to atmospheric phenomena, the truth remains elusive. This tale of the past whispers to us, reminding us that the universe still holds many secrets. What's your take on this celestial mystery? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing historical events.